Hey, this is Cam with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'll be showing you how we create production files for tablecloths. It'll be a real simple process. All we want to do is get rid of anything that isn't our design or our cloth background. So our cloth size text right at the top right here, the measurements for the cloth itself, get rid of those, and the measurements for the text. All these little marks got to go. So once you get done doing that, all you want to have left is your cloth background and your logo at the same size as it was in the proof. So just export it as normal, export for screens with F1. You want to save a PDF in your production files. Yeah. Hit export artboard. And once you have that production file made, you can move the product status in Corebridge over to ready to purchase and add one to your KPI sheet. Thank you.